What's up, everyone? I'm here with the 2012 mid MacBook Pro. This is in 2023. We're just gonna be giving it a little bit of an upgrade and making it run the best that we can. So we're gonna start by taking the case off. That takes Phillips 0. I picked up this precision screwdriver set at Walmart for, I believe it was $8, and it came with all these tips, which are all the tips we're gonna need for this. So gonna start by removing all these screws.
These ones are kind of curved in there a bit, so you gotta take your time and make sure you don't strip them. There's one. Make sure to set the screws somewhere where you're gonna remember them, because if you lose one of these, it's obviously gonna be a pain. You're gonna have to order new ones, wait for those to come in. So all these ones on the bottom are all short screws, and then I believe 2 or 3 are the longer screws. But again, we're just using a Phillips 0 to take these off. I think the code for it's P80. So there's 4. 6 left to go. You want to make sure you have it lined up good before you start trying to unscrew it, because you will strip them. This is my first time ever really working on computers at all, but I've watched lots of videos trying to learn how to, and we'll see if I know enough or not. Alright, I believe this is a long one. Yep. So this one's, there you go. This one's a lot longer than the other ones. I believe this one is too. Yep. Alright, last bit. I don't know if I said this before yet or not, but you want to make sure that your computer is powered off before you mess with any of this.
Alright, got all the screws out. Now we're gonna take this off. And there she is. Get it focused in for you. Here she is. So first off, you wanna, this is the battery right here. And this is the hard drive. And then there's the RAM. So we're gonna start off by taking off this little battery connector. That's always important to make sure you do that first. They say that you're supposed to use like a little thing to pry it with, but I'm just gonna use my fingers because I don't have that. Okay, so it's disconnected. And so then the battery takes, let me see what it's called. The battery takes a Y0 is what that's called. It's this little guy. We'll see if we can get it focused in at all. But this is a tri-point, a Y0. So this is for the battery. The battery just has 2 screws, so that should be pretty easy to get off. One right here. Set this somewhere different. And then another one right here. So the right side was like a longer screw and the left side was a short screw. And then I believe this, okay, so you just lift up on this, the thing that says, warning, do not remove the battery, the sticker. You need to start lifting up on that and then the battery will just come right up. Boom. Got that out of the way. And while that's undone, we'll start trying to change the hard drive now that we can't be electrocuted. So now for the battery, we'll be going back to the P80, which is what we used to take off the case. Yeah, this screwdriver set for, I think it was like $8 or $9 from Walmart. It works pretty good though. So with the hard drive, it just has these 2 screws right here. So I'll work on those. And then these actually won't unscrew out of this bracket. The bracket will come out, but the screws won't. So just get those loose. And then this just pulls, oh, this one must be in there a little bit. Okay, then that just pulls right out. Set that off to the side. And then you just pull this little tab right here. You just pull up on that. And then there's this little cord. I'll zoom in so you can see it. You just want to pull this off. Just kind of work both sides until it gets loose. And that came off. Set that off to the side. Now we'll grab our new SSD. X-ray disc. So then we're just gonna flip it to this side. And then with this, I'll zoom back out for you. You want the short side to line up with this. So it'll be flipped this way. Then you just push that in. Bada bing, bada boom. Then that just sets right in there. You want to hear it click in like that. Then we'll just screw this bracket back on. Hold down a little pressure so it doesn't move. And I already wiped the hard drive, the original hard drive, so I might try and list that for sale. So now we're gonna be installing the new battery. Looks identical. First we'll pull this plastic off. And then there's more plastic down here. And I believe that's all. So we'll just set that in right there. Perfect. And then we'll put the screws in before we hook this bad boy in. So here's the battery screws. The long one goes on the right. Yeah, now we need to switch back to the Y0 tip. And the short one goes on the left. Boom. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Wanting to tighten these bad boys so you'll get it the right. I don't know why this isn't wanting to go in. Bump it to the left a little bit, maybe it'll fall in there. Okay, there we go. Tighten this one on the right again. And after this, hook up the battery connector and we should be good to go. Come on. Push that all the way in, and I think we're good to go. I believe that's everything. So now we're gonna take this, and if you did want to change out the RAM, like I said, you just pull out these sides right here, and pull up, and then they'll pop up, and then just pull them out and put your new RAM in, and it's as easy as that. So now we're gonna put the case back on.
To everything switch back to default, yeah, I'm very impressed with the screwdrivers that we're just being and 7 or 8 dollars. Works really good. Yeah, pretty much every screw you can think of. Not screw, but head. Okay. 2 long screws go in the top middle. I guess there's 3. I believe the other one is the top right. We're just going to software screw these right now, and then we'll go back through and tighten them all up. The screws are so dang small. Yep. And also, some of these screws are kind of at a slant, which can kind of be a pain, but... If it doesn't feel like it's going in like smoothly, pull it out, redo it. Because stripping these screws really is a pain in the butt. I know I've said it multiple times, but... Alright, there's two left. Oop. Alright, last one. Tighten these up. You want to make sure you're putting quite a bit of pressure down while you're doing this.
Alrighty, I think we're done. Alrighty, we're up and running. It's all working perfect. Everything's loading so much quicker than it used to. Obviously, this isn't going to be like a crazy nice computer or anything, but it'll be perfect for web browsing or checking emails, stuff like that. So, runs so much better than it used to, which I'm really happy about. I mean, this stuff used to take so long to load, and now it's pretty much instantly. So, thank you everyone so much for watching. Please make sure to like this video if it helped you out, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Everyone have a good day. See ya.